Welcome to my channel. My name is Maurice, and if it's your first time here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and like and share. So today we're going to talk about OneForma and the account creation and the steps you need to do in order to create your first OneForma account, and which browsers specifically I will share to you in the end of the video and for you to download. So for today, let's dig in. So first and foremost, you need to go to your Chrome or any browser you have and click on it, and we will search OneForma just from your browser. You can search OneForma, and most probably it will load. So basically, OneForma is it's more about judging, and what you do is you rate ads on websites and stuff like that. So like you're paid to rate an ad that, for example, let's say I'm searching for a certain item, let's say women's shoes, and what results do we expect? We expect results on Google about women's shoes, not about cars or anything. So you will be given, let's say, questions, and your role will be to rate them and answer them. So then you click sign up. So like you rate them, and you're given like some choices, and for you it may be excellent, good, bad, or very bad. It depends really with the type of work and some certifications you need to do. So in here you need to fill in your name, your last name, your username, country of residence. So you are free to choose any of these countries from where you're from. If you're from Brazil, Burundi, Canada, so basically you need to choose the country of your origin, of your residence. City of residence, you can fill that, and where you are from. Native language, maximum 3. Please ensure that when you're filling native languages, please ensure you put in 3 languages that you can work on. For example, if you understand English, French, and German, please don't put in any other languages. Please put in languages that when you're given work on them, you can answer them. So on the native languages, you can answer that. Please, you are only allowed to feed in 3 languages. How did you about us? Personally, I think it depends how you will answer the question, but I will prefer if you will put in Reddit, or yeah, you can put in Reddit or friends or family. So it depends really. That's a no-brainer question. And put in your email. Yeah, next thing is you put in your password, and you confirm your password. Next thing is when you click here, I have read and agree to terms of use for OneForma pages. So you need to click them. When you click them, you will be taken to a certain page at the bottom. Please ensure you scroll. Terms and conditions for registration in OneForma as independent contractor, freelance vendor. That means these are the rules you need to follow. But personally, you need to scroll up to the bottom, and you need to sign. So you can, by how will you sign? You will just like sign in using your finger or something, or a phone stick. Please ensure you sign in there, and you accept the terms and the conditions. After you have clicked the second one, the non-disclosure agreement, you come and click the privacy policy and the GDPR clause and the cookies policy. When you click it, it's okay. Yeah, you see, for the first two you need to sign. When you have signed and fill all these positions here, you will click yes, I want to join OneForma community, and an email will be sent to your account. And basically that's how you create an account on OneForma. And please ensure you click the subscribe button, support me. This is my first video, and hoping for more. So on the browser that I promised, Please ensure you download a browser called Kiwi browser. I'll leave the link below in my description. Please ensure you you download the Kiwi browser in your Play Store or the Apple Store. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maurice. Please ensure you click the subscribe button, like. Today we are going to talk about which websites you can use to download movies and which are the best to watch online. So basically it's really easy and step by step we will dig into it. So basically go to your Chrome and search Chrome and then search soap today. When you have clicked soap today, please click the first thing that comes to your results. Then when you have given to this, you come to this page. Please ensure you click the second tab. Let's see.